Okay, so we're supposed to write the standard form equation of the ellipse that has these vertices and foci. So the first thing we could do is try to draw it and get an idea of what this thing might look like. 0, 5 is a dot up here. And then we got 0, -5. These are 2 of the 4 vertices. And then you might be thinking, well, is it longer vertically or is it bigger horizontally like this? We can tell because that gave us the location of the foci. The foci always land on the major axis. So since these are the foci at 0, -4, we know it's going to be, the major axis is going to be vertical. It's going to be going straight up and down. Okay, so to find out the coordinates, first we know a few things. It's centered at the origin, okay, because 0, 5 and 0, -5, exactly in between them is 0, 0, right? So we know it's centered at the origin. So our equation at least looks like this. We need to find out what A is. We actually know what B is because B, since we just found out the vertical direction is the major axis, we know B is going to be 5 because that's the radius, that's the distance from the origin of the ellipse to 0, 0, 5. So we got to find out what A is, and I think we're probably going to have to use the foci to determine that. We have an equation for the length of the foci, focal length. If you square it, that's equal to the major radius squared minus the minor axis radius. Okay, so we don't know this one, but we know the focal length. The distance from one of the foci in the origin is 4. We know the major radius. The distance from the origin to the major vertex is 5. And then we can call this x for the minor radius. So that's a quick little equation you can solve. You're going to get -16. Wait, let me don't. I think I got that wrong. 4 squared is 16 minus 25. So we get -9. I knew it was going to be perfect. So we got -9 equals -x, or another -x squared. Sorry. So in other words, x equals 3. Now we know the distance of the minor axis in the origin is 3. So this here should be 3 squared. So that's the full equation. Let's see which one matches up. We got x squared over 9. That's the same thing as x squared over 3 squared. Plus y squared over 5. Now the 5 has to be squared, right? So let's keep looking. X squared over 9 plus y squared over 25 equals 1. That's our equation right there.